Hey everyone, I'm Brielle from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm super excited to dive into the Ninja DZ201 Foodie 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2-basket air fryer. If you're looking for a kitchen gadget that makes crispy, healthy meals fast and easy, this could be your new go-to. Let's get cooking. First, let's break down what makes this air fryer awesome. It's got two 4-quart baskets, so you can cook 2 different foods at once with independent settings. The DualZone technology includes smart finish to sync cooking times, so everything's ready together, and match cook to copy settings for a full 8-quart batch. It offers 6 functions: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, with a temperature range of 105 to 450 degrees. You get 2 non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes, and cooking charts to start. It's perfect for mains and sides like wings and fries without mixing flavors. Now the pros: the dual baskets are a game changer. Cook chicken in one, veggies in the other, and they're done at the same time. It's fast, cutting cooking time by up to 50% compared to ovens, and uses 75% less fat than deep frying. The non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Users love the crispy results and quiet operation. On the con side, it's bulky, so you'll need counter space. Some users say the basket's vertical design limits single-layer cooking, like for a large steak. It's also pricey, around $180, and can trigger sensitive smoke alarms if opened right after cooking. Who's this for? If you're feeding a family, meal prepping, or love cooking 2 dishes at once, this air fryer is a fantastic choice. It's great for busy kitchens, but might be overkill for solo cooks or small spaces. Consider a single basket model if that's you. Ready to make mealtime easier? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those meals delicious.